Hi, my name is Travis Robertson. I'm with Syngenta Digital Platforms, and we're out here at Oakmont Country Club today to show you how to install a Spiio sensor. The first step to installing a Spiio sensor is to make a hole. Now that you've created a hole to insert the Spiio soil sensor, there's a couple things to mention. You need to have really good sensor to soil contact and cover this entire moisture plate with undisturbed soil, so that way you get the proper moisture readings, and the white QR code needs to be facing up. This gives you the absolute best installation for the data collected. And you also need a sharp object, a screwdriver or an ice pick, something of that nature, to create a cavity to insert the sensor. So we're going to do that now. So now that the Spiio soil sensor is in the ground, it's time to scan it into the GreenCast Connect platform. So at this point, now that the sensor is physically installed and we're scanning it into the GreenCast Connect platform, you will remove the magnet to search for signal, and when it successfully connects, the magnet will not go back on the sensor. So after the sensor has a successful connection, you select the area, you'll name the sensor, set the depth. You can add a photo if you wish, and then you're finished. So now that you have successfully connected the Spiio soil sensor into the platform, it's time to put back the plug. The installation is complete, and we're already collecting our data.